university?
Yeah, I do.
School, college, or university?
Oh my god.
Yeah?
Of course.
University. Are you making fun with me?
What?
Are you making fun with me?
No.
Yeah. Who is talking to you? Who is talking to you right now? Hi. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
How are you?
Where are you from?
Are you gay?
Yeah?
Are you gay?
I'm from Bangladesh.
That's cool.
Bangladesh.
Oh my god. Girl, that's so cute.
Where are you from?
I love it.
Where are you from?
California.
California. Oh.
California.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
What time is it now in California? What time?
Right now it's 11:30.
11:30. Just here in our country, Bangladesh, 12:30 p.m.
Yeah.
At noon in our country, Bangladesh. How strange the world is. Yeah, really. Actually, what is your full name? Your full name, please.
Tatiana.
Okay, just this is Zakaria Hussain. Zakaria Hussain.
Ellen.
Are you a student? Do you study?
Tatiana Lopez.
Are you a student? Do you study?
Yeah.
School, college, or university?
Yeah, I do.
School, college, or university?
Oh my god.
Yeah?
Of course.
University? Are you a student of university?
Yeah.
What is the name of your university?
Yeah.
What is the name of your university?
I don't know about that.
How strange. What is this? Are you making fun with me?
What?
Are you making fun with me?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, actually.
Actually, I am appreciate for your laughing style. Yeah, really. I am very much appreciate. Yeah, really. Okay.
You're funny.
Have you ever visited our beautiful country, Bangladesh? Have you ever visited?
No. No.
Oh, really?
But I wish that I could.
But I didn't visit New York City or California. Never. If I get a chance,
Why?
I will visit. Actually, it is my dream to visit America, USA. It is my dream to visit there. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, how do you spend your free time? Most of the free time, how do you patch your every single day? How do you patch your free time or off time within 24 hours?
Me?
How do you patch?
I don't know.
You do know. You do know. You do know
I
how.
don't know, girl.
Actually, do you speak your language as a mother tongue? Do you speak your...
Yeah, I do.
Actually, I cannot see you clearly. Your appearance, it does not look like clear. Be clear, be clear. Appearance clear, clear. Just gloomy. Gloomy or dark, dark. Put on light, light. Put on light, light. Put on light. Who is talking to you? Who is talking to you right now?
It's my woman.
Who is talking to you? Your husband?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't have any girlfriend right now.
Want to do threesome?
Oh, really? I'm single right now. Yeah,
You from-
really. Just you look like my cousin. Your appearance just look like. Are you model?
What?
I think that. Are you model? Do you compete?
Yeah, I am. I'm model.